True Balance is a spectral metering plugin that comes with a broad selection of genre-based references. You can also load up to 8 reference tracks to compare your mix with. You can display any reference track and the related spectral target zone by clicking the Reference selector. I can see that the mids of my track are too loud as compared to the reference. For this track, that's probably caused by the mid-heavy sample. After reducing the volume of the sample, the song sounds more balanced, and there's also more space for the vocals now in the mix. Clicking on a reference track number will hide the track and exclude it from the computation of the reference zone. Open the drop-down menu to see file names or to delete tracks. You can change the adaptation speed and resolution of the average spectrum and the reference zone using these buttons, as well as restart or pause the analysis. The low, mid, and high frequency range can be customized by dragging these lines. By default, True Balance's reference zone will adapt itself to the level of your input signal. This makes sure that you're focusing on the spectral balance rather than the absolute level of your track. In case you want to hit fixed level values, you can deactivate the reference zone's auto mode and move it around vertically instead. The channel data section focuses on the width and correlation of your track. Width indicates how wide the stereo image will be perceived. A very high width value shows that a lot of the signal's energy is coming from the sides. The correlation value is a metric for the similarity of two signals. A correlation below 0 indicates out-of-phase components that will typically lead to unwanted phase cancellation effects when the signals are summed to mono. The mono check button will pinpoint any potential issues of your mix when it's played back in mono. True Balance will also display, as an additional yellow line, the filter that would emerge when the signal was converted to mono. A more or less obvious filter shape, such as a comb filter, indicates that mono summing may lead to spectral problems, while a constantly varying filter should not lead to any problematic filtering effects.